It's me again, the great Kiwinoy. So today is Sunday, 30th of August 2020, and the time now is 2:30 in the afternoon. So just giving you an update about this concrete footpath construction. So as you can see, I'm pouring number 20. So yesterday I poured number 19, so I wasn't able to do that. Number 20 has run out of time, so I just continue doing it today. So that's the second batch of my concrete mix. So hopefully that second batch will be enough for that entire area, as I'm run out of cement. So yeah, and then after that I have to prepare the number 17 and 18, which is this one here. So yeah, I already started preparing it, but I saw the weather is so beautiful today, so I just get the opportunity to pour this concrete and finish. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to spread this. Yeah, it's more than enough. I have some sort of excess out of this mix, which I can use some other area. Alright, so I think that's all for today. So, and by the way, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, and please be patient watching it, as like what I said several times, I'm a retired person. So I just make myself busy. So, and also I'm helping my son with his footpath, just to make myself busy and part of my daily exercise. Alright, friends, thank you so much. God bless, and please be safe. Bye for now. We have a beautiful weather. Few patchy clouds over there. Yeah. Okay, see you next time.